Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another exciting episode of our car review series. Today, we have something truly extraordinary to share with you. It's time to unravel the mesmerizing power and unmatched style of the Tiguan 2023, Volkswagen's latest addition to the SUV family. So, without further ado, let's dive deep into this extraordinary vehicle and explore the wonders it has to offer. When it comes to visual appeal, the Tiguan 2023 stands out from the crowd. Volkswagen has crafted a design that seamlessly blends elegance, athleticism, and ruggedness, resulting in an SUV that demands attention wherever it goes. From its bold and muscular contours to its sleek lines and modern LED headlights, every element has been carefully sculpted to create an unforgettable presence on the road. The Tiguan 2023 boasts a redesigned front grille that exudes confidence and showcases the iconic Volkswagen emblem. The grille is flanked by sleek LED headlights that provide exceptional visibility while adding a touch of sophistication to the overall look. The sculpted hood enhances the SUV's dynamic appeal, hinting at the power that lies beneath. Moving along the sides, you'll notice the precisely placed character lines that create a sense of movement even when the vehicle is stationary. The chrome accents and available alloy wheels further enhance the Tiguan's premium aesthetics. In the rear, the LED taillights complement the overall design, leaving a lasting impression as the vehicle drives away. With its captivating exterior, the Tiguan 2023 is a true head-turner. As we step inside the Tiguan 2023, prepare to be enveloped in a world of luxury and comfort. Volkswagen has crafted a spacious cabin that seamlessly combines premium materials, ergonomic design, and advanced technology. Every detail has been meticulously designed to create an environment that caters to both the driver and passengers alike. The Tiguan's interior offers ample space for both front and rear passengers, ensuring everyone can relax and enjoy the journey. The seats are designed with comfort in mind, providing excellent support for long drives. The use of high-quality materials adds a touch of sophistication, while the available panoramic sunroof floods the cabin with natural light, creating an open and airy atmosphere. The dashboard features a sleek design and incorporates the latest technology, including a high-resolution touchscreen infotainment system. This system allows for seamless connectivity, providing access to navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings with just a few taps. The Tiguan 2023 also comes equipped with advanced driver assistance systems, such as adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist, ensuring both safety and convenience are at the forefront of the driving experience. Now, let's explore the exhilarating performance and precise handling of the Tiguan 2023. Volkswagen has engineered this SUV to deliver a driving experience that's both thrilling and confident, no matter the road conditions. Under the hood, the Tiguan 2023 offers a range of powerful engine options, each providing ample power and torque for an exciting drive. The available intelligent all-wheel drive system ensures optimal traction and stability, allowing the Tiguan to conquer various terrains with ease. Whether you're navigating through busy city streets or venturing off the beaten path, the Tiguan's responsive handling and precise steering make every drive enjoyable and engaging. The suspension system has been tuned to strike a balance between comfort and sportiness, providing a smooth ride even on uneven surfaces. With the Tiguan 2023, Volkswagen has truly combined performance and versatility into one remarkable SUV. Safety has always been a top priority for Volkswagen, and the Tiguan 2023 is equipped with an array of advanced safety features, providing peace of mind on every journey. Volkswagen has equipped the Tiguan 2023 with a comprehensive suite of safety technologies. The SUV features adaptive cruise control, which not only maintains a set speed but also adjusts the distance to the vehicle ahead, ensuring a safe following distance is maintained at all times. Additionally, the Tiguan offers lane keeping assist, which helps prevent unintentional drifting between lanes by gently steering the vehicle back into the correct position. The blind spot monitoring system alerts the driver to the presence of vehicles in the blind spots, reducing the risk of accidents during lane changes. Furthermore, the Tiguan comes equipped with rear-view cameras, making parking and maneuvering in tight spaces a breeze. With these advanced safety features, the Tiguan 2023 prioritizes the well-being of both the driver and passengers. Flexibility and practicality are essential qualities in an SUV, and the Tiguan 2023 offers ample space and versatility to accommodate your lifestyle. The Tiguan's interior has been thoughtfully designed to cater to various needs. With the ability to comfortably seat 5 passengers, it's the ideal vehicle for both daily commutes and family adventures. However, when you require extra cargo space, the Tiguan has you covered. The rear seats can be folded down in a variety of configurations, allowing for a significant increase in storage capacity. Whether you're hauling sports equipment, luggage, or larger items, the Tiguan provides the flexibility you need. Additionally, the SUV features numerous storage compartments throughout the cabin, ensuring that all your belongings are neatly organized and easily accessible. And there you have it, folks, a comprehensive review of the Tiguan 2023, Volkswagen's exceptional SUV. From its striking exterior design to its luxurious interior, exhilarating performance, advanced safety features, and versatile storage options, the Tiguan 2023 is a true standout in its class. If you're in search of a reliable and stylish SUV that offers a perfect blend of power and comfort, look no further. Thank you for joining us today, and until next time, drive safe and keep exploring.